Hey guys, so we're back with another sugaring video, and today I'm going to show you how to do your brows. So we're going to keep her brows pretty natural, so this is going to be a minimal groom. We're not going to be removing too much hair, we're just going to clean them up. So normally I just would brush the hairs up to trim them. Normally I would use a spoolie, but this is all that I had, so we had to make it work. But do yourself a favor, get a real spoolie. I don't know what this is, it's like a weird comb thing, and I don't like it. So then I'm going to prep the skin by cleansing with witch hazel, and you can do this step first. I just saved it until now because I wanted to make sure that the hair was dry when I trimmed it. And then just using a toothpick, I'm going to apply my strip sugar. And basically that just means that this sugar is more like syrup rather than paste. So I can't pick it up with my fingers and mold it. I can only use it with strips. So as you can imagine, I like to just use this in smaller areas or all over the face, or specifically in places where you need to have precision. So you just want to apply your sugar as thin as you can, then apply your cloth or non-woven strip. Again, as always, you're going to apply your sugar in the opposite direction of how the hair naturally grows. That way, when you go to rip off the strip, you're pulling the hair out in the direction that it would naturally exit the follicle. When applying the sugar, you may also notice too that I kind of roll a toothpick to get the sugar off, and then I spread it in the direction that I want to go. Now I will admit that this is not the perfect tool for this. You really want something that is more of a spatula. That way, instead of a cylinder or something that's completely round, you have a flat surface that you can create a 45-degree angle with as you glide it over the skin, which is going to cover more surface area, and it's just going to overall be a lot more efficient. So once you're happy with the job that you've done, all you need to do is wipe the area with some water, which is going to dissolve any residual sugar. Then I like to use aloe vera because, like I said, it's very soothing and calming. And then as a final step, you do want to moisturize and protect the skin. So that's it. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, you know what to do. Let me know in the comments what video you'd like to see next, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.